So welcome to Math Bonds. First, I want to say that I have so many retired military people in my family, so I appreciate your service, and I appreciate that, and thank you for having me here today. So welcome to Math Bonds, empowering young learners through the beauty of math. I want you to remember three things from today, and that is math, bonds, changes. Math, that is the first thing. We're all familiar with math. It is the most popular language in the world, and we've all been associated with math. But Houston, we have a problem. USA, we have a problem. 80% of Americans say they don't like math, or they have anxiety with math. Most of that, and that's even some teachers say that. I had the privilege of training some teachers to use math at the pre-K level, and most of them were very intimidated by math, even at the pre-K level. Extensive research has been done that says that one of the main issues in math education today, period, is we've got to teach children better math, and we've got to do it earlier. We've got to do it at the pre-K level. Two main reasons for doing that. One reason is because the way we learn math at pre-K has an effect on all the later school years in all the subjects. And two, it has a bearing upon our career opportunities. So we look at the way math is done at the pre-K level. The green triangle is how we do reading. We understand that kids need to learn letters. They need to have access to books, and even if they can't read the books, they're in the classroom. So we understand at the pre-K level that we need to be putting the basis for reading in the pre-K classroom, because we're going to build on that all the way through to higher ed. That's not so in math. Math is an upside down triangle. At the very bottom is where pre-K math is. Less than 50 seconds a day in the average classroom is devoted to meaning for mathematics. Less than 50 seconds. Math bond changes that. Remember, math bond changes. We changed the way math is going to be taught at the pre-K level, which means we're going to change the way math is taught in elementary, middle school, high school. If you look at the top of the content, I've taken 60 concepts from math, covering 8 different areas in mathematics, put them into 20 activities, and put that into one classroom kit. The second word we're going to remember is bonds. Now, bonds is the connections that we make through experiences and feelings. And we can all understand that. Our favorite foods and some of even my professions are tied in to a memory, a very fond memory. Researchers say that if you can associate something fun to something that someone has to learn, they will learn it 10 times faster. We do that with math bonds. We offer the average things that they offer. It is a curriculum, but we also, all 20 activities has a video associated with it. Our children are entertainment savvy kids. Go to any classroom, the teacher has a screen. We've got to introduce things to kids a different way. And one of the ways we introduce each concept is through a very fun video with some very fun characters. The last word is changes. There's an elephant in that room. You see there? There he is. I was about to wonder. Okay. The elephant in the room is how. Bill Gates Foundation, IES, Math Bonds, all of the different math educators, universities are all saying we've got to figure out how to get the right tools to the teachers so that they're able to teach it. So when we think about changes, we got to change the tools and the things that we give teachers to teach better math. Sorry. Now, when you look in a classroom, in every pre-K classroom, you're going to find some things in a classroom. You'll see all these things. Most of these things have to do with reading and books and writing. We do have math offerings in classrooms, but it's counters and it's posters, and your children will learn to sort and they will learn to count. But where's the math case? Where's that case in the classroom where the teacher can pull out and say, this is what we have today in math, this is what we're doing. It's fun to look at, it's fun to use, and it's everything the teacher needs is right there, like a very good bookcase.